Y'all, it's so pretty out, but it is so cold. Rook, hold on, wait for me. I don't want a mountain lion to come get me. So the mountains are usually back behind there, but you can't see them today. So yeah, it's gonna be a full snowy day, Rookie. What's happening is my brothers are coming. I'm stoked. It's snowing for the next 3 days and I need some type of like little awning structure here at the front because it's just gonna be packed and I wanna be able to open my door without snow. So I'm gonna build something super temporary. It's 2x6. It's gonna be more work than I realize. Ugh, I don't wanna do that in the snow. I guess what I could do is staple gun this vinyl shit that I love. Staple it here and here at the door. That would be kind of bad. Put this fabric over it and then run it down to 2 stakes that are somehow going to be sitting on this decking. Oh, I have cement blocks. I could put them. I'm going for this idea. I know it's going to be super rough and annoying, but it'll be better than nothing, and it's going to come down in 3 days, so it's really okay. Oh. Oh wait, I could just put a cement block right back on that and butt it up to it. I'm doing that. Guys, don't judge this pretty work, but it's gonna be fine. Hopefully it works. Look at this little shower head.
Well, there's a bag of hardware. There's a bag of hardware. Just be careful with it somewhere in there.
Coffee. Sam, shower.
I know, it's cute.
Bag of hardware. Copy. Careful. Go, I don't think these are gonna be it.
Oh, what?
Come
That
here.
was D.
I don't know, man.
Oh, that sucks. Get them in town? I swear I thought they were D's.
Wait, I don't.
Oh, they're those big circle
big
ones.
D's.
All right, well,
That was my bad.
yeah, that's okay. Well, that sucks.
It does suck.
Guess we're boiling water and pouring it over our heads.
Yeah, it works great.
That's all right, Kel. We'll grab some. Guess that's not gonna happen today, and that's okay.
crossed over.
Well, you're not looking at the curve, dude.
Dude, I mill all the time.
Well, then tell me why I didn't do this on purpose.
Because you're being silly, dude.
No, I think we should keep some of this, like if not all of it, and then mill this way towards where that
It's down, and then once it starts, I'll move the choke up.
Yeah.
What's up with drop starting it?
It's just how I teach all the new sawyers.
Yeah.
If you drop start it, it could go into your leg.
Oh.
There you go. Pop. It popped.
What's that mean?
And now you don't need this. Now you can get it in half choke. Good job.
That was fun.
Next time we're wearing chaps.
Okay. I could have fun with a little baby one. I mean, I know it's still the same, just as dangerous. Wow. Smells so good. I know, I just
What happened?
flew the drone right into a condo.
Which one?
That one.
I will trim this while I'm up here.
What a job, like, no one told me it was a profession. You need the pole saw?
I'll take a hand saw.
What? I want the pole saw.
I'll take the pole saw.
No, do you want any coleslaw?
Shut up.
Yeah. Clean it up a little while you go. It's so cool being in trees. I kind of want to go up there too now. Don't get rid of all your handles. Trimming your first tree on your property, huh? Hand trimming, about as quality as it comes. This tree's gonna live longer now.
Feels great up here.
Dude, I fucking love trees. Dude, let's build that. Where's that one big one? Yeah, it's on the left lead. Well, if you don't see it yet, it's still up there. How's the view? It's spectacular.
Because if this strap comes,
Any of
You
them.
never know. No, it can be any side.
this is going to hold the Starlink. This is hilarious. Excuse me, Gel Blues.
Let me go grab my helmet.
We're about to make our own tree for the Starlink to sit on. Oh, God. Well, I didn't know you guys were going.
Take your time, Mo. You're good.
Okay, it's on me now. And the tree is moving.
It's going, no problem. Keep that anchor on the ground, Mo. Oh, this ratchet's got it, no problem. Easy, easy, easy. Easy. Alright, we're gonna go slow here. Dude, this is sick.
Sandy was right, we got trim.
Should we bore it or should I lower it?
This looks cool, dude.
This is whack.
When Kelly bought the property, group text. No junk show, guys.
While my brothers were in town, I had them help me take apart the yurt. Now I know that seems crazy, but it needed to happen. The platform we made was too big and I was having water problems, as you can see here. We've cut back the platform and reassembled the yurt correctly. It was a pain to take everything out and redo it, but it needed to happen before deep winter. I'm so thankful for my brothers that are willing to help me with truly everything. I did some work on the front steps and will eventually finish this deck. Until then, she's up and ready for deep, snowy months ahead. Y'all, thanks again for hanging around and watching this full episode. All your support and love and the comments truly keep me making these videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was fun having my brothers here. Next episode, I help Kelly get his first logs in the ground for his studio. I finally make my bed and begin to take slow days enjoying all the work I've put in. Thanks for watching and see you all next week.